Intro, 0 o'clock A020, looking for a budget-friendly car with great mileage and modern features? Meet the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10A. India's favorite hatchback is back, better and smarter than ever. In just 3 minutes, we'll break down its features, top components, and the latest pricing. Let's get started. Visuals: 360-degree exterior shots, panning in on the logo and headlights. 1. Exterior design, 021A040. The 2025 Alto K10 gets a refreshed bumper design, bold grille, and sleek halogen headlamps. The compact form stays perfect for city driving, now with new dual-tone color options and stylish 13-inch wheels. Visuals: opening the doors, dashboard view, infotainment screen close-up. 2. Interior features, 041A110, step inside and you'll see a refreshed cabin layout, a 7-inch SmartPlay touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, power windows, central locking, and dual airbags. The fit and finish have improved, making the cabin feel more upmarket for its price. Visuals: under the hood, showing engine components and driving shots. 3. Engine performance, 111A140, under the hood, it's powered by the reliable 1.0 liters K-series dual-jet petrol engine. It delivers 66 bhp and 89 Nm torque, paired with a 5-speed manual or AMT. Mileage: an impressive 24.4 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. Visuals: driving on city roads, checking boot space, folding seats. 4. Practicality safety, 141A2 o'clock. The Alto K10 still shines in practicality. You get decent boot space for a small hatch, child safety locks, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors. The lightweight frame ensures agile city movement. Visuals: price list animation, showing different variants. 5. Pricing variants, 201A230. The 2025 Alto K10 comes in 4 main variants: ASTD, LXI, VXI, and VXI Plus, available in petrol and CNG options. Base variant starts at a superscript 14.23 lakh, ex-showroom. Top VXI Plus AMT goes up to a superscript 15.73 lakh. CNG variant, VXI, starts at a superscript 15.65 lakh. Affordable, reliable, and city-ready. It's a strong value proposition. Visuals: outro with logo, car on road with music fade out. Conclusion: 231A3 o'clock. If you're a first-time buyer or looking for a second city car, the 2025 Alto K10 ticks all the right boxes. Great mileage, updated looks, and a trusted brand all under budget. Like, share, subscribe for more car reviews. End screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more auto reviews.